Last year's Razer Phone certainly didn't go unnoticed by gamers, and it seems to have also caught the attention of rival phone makers. Xiaomi, in collaboration with Nanchang Black Shark Technology Company Limited, is working on Black Shark, a high-end gaming phone with some impressive hardware that is expected to launch on 13th of April. An earlier leaked image that reveals a PlayStation Vita-like gaming pad is a fake. This phone is actually a photoshopped Battery Max iPlay. What we do know, however, is that the Xiaomi Black Shark will be a high-powered phone running the Snapdragon 845 processor, Adreno 630 graphics, up to 8GB of RAM and 256GB storage. We'd expect to see 6GB/64GB. 6GB/128GB and 8GB/256GB variants, a 120Hz refresh rate and HDR support. It's already been spotted at AnTuTu and Geekbench, revealing Razer-busting performance scores, 270,680 and 8,452 respectively, and additional spec details. There will be an 18:9 2160 by 1080 display, standard for Xiaomi, and Android 8.0 Oreo-based MIUI operating system. Rumors suggest that display will be a 5.99 in IPS model, as seen on the Mi Mix 2S. A new teaser released by Xiaomi reveals the slogan "Born to Compete," and shows the right side of the phone with curved corners and a power button. The volume button must be located on the left edge. The left half of the image shows a fencer, with the saber splitting their face. When is the Xiaomi Black Shark release date? Invitations have gone out for a launch event at 3 p.m. on 13th of April in Beijing, China. How much will the Xiaomi Black Shark cost? JD.com has signed a 3-year deal with Xiaomi to stock the Black Shark for distribution to China and other markets. However, you should note that one of those markets will probably not be the UK. To get it here you'll need to import it from a reseller such as GearBest, which will have slightly inflated prices over the RRP. On importing the phone to the UK you will also be hit with import duty, which is calculated at 20% of whatever value is printed on the shipping paperwork. Even despite this, though, Xiaomi is known for undercutting its Western rivals. The recently announced Mi Gaming laptop is a prime example. The top-end Mi Gaming laptop costs 8,999 RMB, which is around £1,014/$1,432 US. Xiaomi claims a comparable Alienware laptop that does not have the same powerful cooling system costs 17,699 RMB, which is a staggering £1,996/$2,816. There's also an entry-level model with a Core i5 rather than Core i7 chip, and half the RAM at 8GB costs an even more affordable 5,999 RMB, which is around £676/$954. We'd expect Xiaomi to undercut its main rival, the Razer Phone, in a similar fashion. That handset costs £699 direct from Razer. At the time of writing my smart price states an expected launch price of Rs 48,999, which is around £535/$754/616 €. We have no idea where it has got this information from, though, and have to point out it is also quoting later than expected release date of 10th of June.